Hi, I'm Lex, and today I'll be speaking about Star Wars Legends Cad Bane Operative Expansion. That's it in its box. Back of the box, with the power of magic, we can make the contents appear. One base, one pile of tokens and cards to play Cad Bane in game, assembly instructions and rules summary, and sprues for building up Cad Bane in a couple of different ways. So, having picked up some other battle droids, for that Syscum army, which is fantastic. They've all just come with basic assemblies. They haven't gone into this much detail with those additional rules. And Cad Bane has a bucket of them and some amazing art of them. So there we can see how to build him. So you can have him with or without hat, and either with 2 blasters or operating his gauntlet with all its cool special tricks. So in the baggie, we've got 2 sheets worth of tokens for all the special abilities. Cad Bane's card himself. I make the rules, which allows us to be really sneaky and have stealth sort of stuff with these counters over here, for both red and blue player. I'm in control, which allows them to pass off suppression tokens onto enemy units. And I'm your worst nightmare, which allows him to attack twice. So he can be brutal, because his guns have decent sort of damage. He's going to upgrade his electro gauntlets, which gives him impressive melee stuff, which also stops the attacked unit from moving that turn. Situational awareness, offensive push, comms jammer, ascension cable so he can float around, and smoke grenades. So that's everything you're getting in the box. And in our handy sheet, it breaks down exactly the cards you're getting, along with the types of tokens you're getting, which is a bucket load. So I'm not going to talk too much about the rules for Cad Bane. That's someone else's job. I'm just going to be putting them together. So with my magical powers, I have removed that from the sprue. Wow, look at it. There's Cad Bane in all his glory. Jacket pegs into his back like that. Hat to go with this head. Use the pointing stick. This hat to this head. This arm to this blaster. And these arms for the dual pistol wielding variation. And his little oxygen tank thing. So here we have all the parts for Cad Bane. So we'll be putting those together with Tamiya cement. Pretty clean fit. Cleaned them up just before, so there's not many mold lines on these guys, so Fantasy Flight are pretty good with that. So when you're cleaning up parts for Cad Bane, in the show he wears this great little hood, so I'll be building on with the hat anyway, since it doesn't matter for me. But I was complete and utter noob and cleaned off what I thought was a mold line around here. It's actually his cow, so don't do that. So with the hat on Cad Bane, it's basically keyed to go one way, so you can't mess it up unless you really try hard.
Nice hat.
So let's try to mess that up. So that's how you mess it up. There we go. So it tucks in. Perfect little fit on that scaling face. And that just goes right in there.
Where did you get it?
This is Cad Bane with his gauntlet. And this is Cad Bane with his blasters. So this is Cad with both blasters. mixed from the two different poses, and that's the fourth last potential pose you can get. So I'm going with the twin pistol look, because that's kind of how we like them. That Old West sort of gunfighter. And that's Cad Bane all finished up. Well, assembled. We still need to base them, undercoat them, and paint them up. But that's your basic construction there. So here we have a Games Workshop Space Marine, Cad Bane, and a B1 Squad Commander for scale. So that's how he sizes up compared to other minis. Thanks for watching this assembly unboxing review. If you'd like to leave a comment, that'd be awesome. Like if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to subscribe if you want to see more from me. I'm aiming to upload every 2 weeks or so, but this is all pretty new, so let me know what you think, and we'll see you later. Ciao.
What are you looking at? It's a nice hat.